The gospel is not an illusion. The gospel says your sin. And when it says your sin, it confirms the law's analysis. The law is holy, good, just, and true. And when the gospel enters, it confirms that the law has done its job. Your sin. But then it goes, is forgiven. Is forgiven for Jesus' sake. Not because you're a nice guy, not because you've been trying hard, not because you're a good woman and you've really been working at this, not because you'll feel better, not because you take 2 of these, not for any other reason than this, for Jesus' sake. In Jesus' name. Your sin is forgiven for Jesus' sake.